and now we are going to test the Dockerize application. So before we Dockerize it, meron tayong tatlong Docker na nangyari, which is this, where we compose everything. But first, dinilit natin lahat ng existing Docker. And because of Docker Compose YML, napagsama natin dito yung MySQL and Spring Boot, and ito yung front-end and backend itself. So individually, merong Docker file, C2Do app, which is the front end, and RESTful Web Services copy2, ito yung Docker file. So, okay, let's start the application. And technically, the application is already starting because ito nakikita sa Docker desktop, and kinomand natin dito yung Docker is not decompose. Yeah, the Docker is running and everything is started. So let's try okay. Nakapag-sign up na tayo. So to reduce the time, simulan natin si test Gmail and password is up here. So if this successfully run the application, yes. First run through. I'm so sorry. So the idea of the application is to share your to-do. This is my first web application built in Spring Boot, Java, and React.js while having JPI or Hibernate, but I chose Java. But I chose what you call this, MySQL. So to try to do container first I learned Docker. That's great. C2dos in here. Ito yung container. Bali sa loob ng container na yan, nagkakaroon siya ng to-do. So, I learned Docker. Ito yung container natin is first learn Docker. And let's update in here, submit. And after learning that, may notes ako dito. Kung anong pwede tayong lagay. Wait lang Key changes. Anyways, that's just for testing. We can change this done to yes or no. So if we refresh the application, the data is going to persist because nakalagay siya sa MySQL natin. So we can say that this is edited 11111. The date is not really true because this is just for testing. So if you want to share this, let's go to my to-dos and share this. So ano ba yung idea na to? Idea ng project na to is to you call this, to share encrypted messages ay yung task namin. So ito na siya, naka-share na siya. So kapag kinlik mo siya, yung share na yan, look at this, incognito. Kapag pinasa mo siya somewhere, mababa mo ito niya. But you can't change anything. Why? Kasi kailangan naka-login ka. So meaning, we can share this specific to-do na pwede natin magawa. So let's say, login tayo. I sign up. Jasper@gmail.com. Jasper and password. Sign up. And now the email here, I forgot. Jasper@gmail.com. Password is password. And once we log into that, we can copy the share URL just like the sharing sa Google Drive. And if you share this, yep, since authenticated tayo according sa code ko, we can change this. We can create new to do. Yay! Sana maalala ko daw. Because I'm learning so much stuff this summer. No, let's have a proper 2021 and submit. Yeah. So I hope, yeah, it reflected to the owner of the to-do. So view action logs by Jasper, access by Jasper, tandaan mo, yung test GMA gamit natin. And we can view code comment in here using view comment and add comment using WebSocket. WebSocket is one of the hardest things that I have implemented in my app. So username, WebSocket daw, and sana mabasa niya to. Yeah. Yeah. Input and great. We can add the comments and it's working. The app is simple but has a great idea, and that's it. So the Docker inside the Docker, if you want to see, andito si React.js, si MySQL Docker, and si Spring Boot application, which is 8080. Oh, shival. Oh, sorry. It's running. Is it? And that's it. That's a simple idea of the application. If you want to delete this, delete. And thank you for watching. I'm Jasper Cadolina. Good night.